Hey everybody, so tonight I'm going to the soft opening of the Freedom Factory down in Bradenton. So I'm going to take you guys along with me and go see what's happening down there with all the there's going to be a car show, a dyno, who knows what else. I'm sure there's going to be some burnouts, so I'm going to take you guys with me. Hope we have a good time. Come on, dude, turn.
Continue for half a mile.
Here we are, pulling into the Freedom Factory. Track. Here we are at the Freedom Factory. Oh, look what I just saw. Check this out. G8 pulling up. That's the general parking. That's the $10 tickets. And then the front door, the front gate's right there. And you're coming over there. Oh, there we go. Look. And look at that Ford right there. Right there. Let's see where he parks. So those are all the cars for the car show VIP parking. I don't know what that is. So they have cars parked all the way around the edge on the track, and now they start another row on the inside. Well, that was a soft opening of the Freedom Factory. I hope you enjoyed the footage, and make sure you subscribe because I'll be going to more events throughout the year. I plan on going to the Cleetus and Cars, the Freedom 500, Mullets Race, if they have those there again, and I'll be filming them. Thanks a lot for watching.